To join the free trial via Skype, click the link in the email. We will log in as a guest on Skype. Choose Join as Guest. Type the student's name, then click Join. After logging in, you will be redirected here. Make sure that the selected camera is the correct one. After making sure that the devices selected are the correct ones, click Join Meeting. You will be redirected to the free trial class on Skype. Here you can see 3 buttons on the lower middle part of the screen. The first button is the microphone button. This is the button that you will click if you want to mute or unmute your microphone. The second button is the camera button. This is the button that you will click if you want to close or open your camera. The third button is the end button. This is the button that you will click if you want to leave the meeting call. There are also buttons at the lower right part of the screen that you can use. The first button will open the chat box. Here you can type what you want or need to say if you cannot use your microphone. The third button is the raise hand button. Click this button if you will want to ask a question. The fourth button is the react button. Under this button is the reactions that you can use in the meeting. If you ever get disconnected, you can click the join call button on the upper right. You can also disable your camera and microphone before joining the meeting. Please make sure to charge your gadgets, double-check your internet speed, have a quiet environment, have working devices, and have a small whiteboard and marker for class. And that's all you need to know on how to join. See you in class.